Hello guys and welcome to another shoe cleaning video. So for today's video we're doing a product review of a shoe cleaning solution, the Sneaky Clean by Sneak Peeks. Let's go. Hello guys and welcome to another shoe cleaning video. I appreciate you dropping by. So for today's video we're gonna go and use this product, Sneaky Clean. This is from Sneak Peeks, a shoe store here in the Philippines. There's one located in Ayala, Cebu. They're actually doing some sales right now, so you might want to check it out. And this is priced at 590 pesos when I bought them last year. This is a foam solution, so this just spread the foam and wipe. That's all there is for this shoe cleaner. So for today's video we're cleaning a very delicate shoe, the Adidas Ultraboost OG. Okay, so let's go ahead and start this video. Let's go. Okay guys, so here's what I think about the Sneaky Clean shoe cleaner. So this is a foam solution. All you need is this product and your brushes, the hard bristle brush and the soft bristle brush. You don't need any water, so it's less messy when using this shoe cleaner, and it also takes a shorter time for the shoe to dry up, air dried. And also it it actually is a good shoe cleaner for the upper. Now the Adidas Ultraboost actually has a prime knit upper. The fly knit is more on the Nikes, but almost the same technology. As you can see, very stretchable and very breathable, but it's very delicate. So remember guys, you need to use, when you have stains on this one, don't ever push hard on cleaning it. You only need the soft bristle brush to clean the upper, and a very good shoe cleaner. Now on the downside, the Sneaky Clean is priced at 590 pesos. So this is much more expensive compared to the other shoe cleaners that are available. But more or less, this is still a very good product from Sneak Peek. You can buy them at any Sneak Peek branches. They also come with a kit, so you can buy them with brushes as well. So yeah, we'll still have to clean this other shoe. So hope you guys enjoyed this review, and let me know in the comment section what you think about this product. So I'll see you guys soon on our next shoe cleaning video. Stay safe guys. Bye.